In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam disk usage dropping to zero while downloading games. This is a very common problem where your download speed looks normal, but disk usage suddenly drops to zero, and the download either slows down or gets stuck. The good news is that there are several simple fixes that usually solve this problem. So let's go step by step. Fix 1. Restart Steam. First, completely close Steam. Click the arrow in the system tray, right-click on Steam, and select Exit. Then open Steam again and try downloading your game. Sometimes this issue happens because Steam processes get stuck. Fix 2. Clear download cache. Now open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. Go to Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. This removes corrupted temporary files, which is one of the most common causes of this issue. Fix 3. Change download region. Go again to Steam, Settings, Downloads. Find Download region and select a server close to your location, but try a different one than your current. Restart Steam and try again. Sometimes the problem is overloaded Steam servers. Fix 4. Check your drive. If your disk usage keeps dropping to zero, the problem could be your hard drive or SSD. Make sure you have enough free space. Your drive is not at 100% usage in Task Manager. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. If your disk is at 100%, Steam may pause downloads while writing files. Fix 5. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs can block Steam from writing files to disk, which causes disk usage to drop to zero. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus, then start the download again. If it works, add Steam to your antivirus exclusions list. Fix 6. Limit bandwidth. A counterintuitive fix. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads. Turn on Limit Download Speed and set it slightly below your maximum speed. This can stabilize downloads and prevent disk usage from dropping to zero. One of these methods should fix the Steam disk usage dropping to zero problem, and your downloads should work normally again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Steam fixes and PC gaming tutorials. Until next video, stay safe, and I see you all.